Matalofa atu I le mamalu man paia o Samoa whaafonga mai mua mai le nei teimi. O le tala le tusi pe a tau nuku se whamoe moe o le la au nea le soifua. Whaafeloa e atu ai le swafa manu malo I sukeriso. Talofa lava, warm Pacific greetings everyone. My name is Simon Matafai and I'm standing here in Rio de Janeiro in Brazil for the Rio+20 World Leaders Summit on Sustainable Development. I arrived here on the 13th of June and already engaged in some of the meetings for youth. Specifically yesterday we had a meeting that was coordinated by the Sri Lankan youth in relation to youth empowerment and an important role youth play in these discussions and after 2015 with the Millennium Development Goals. So keep posted. Thank you to everyone for all your support. Whaftai e tuai tapua inga tatou tunuu, ma lo lava le whaftai le tapua inga, whamanuia pēle atua ia ai whesosoani mai le anga le li'i I se tama whainga vai vai a le atali. So I fua o ni su, thank you.